All right, we are back with Mariel. And Mariel, we're getting a bit of a break from the rain. You said today is my day to go for a walk.
Today is the day to go for a walk. It's going to be warm and breezy today and a little cloudy out there. If you have allergies though, take caution, of course. But yeah, we get a little break from the rain today. If you are west of DFW though, you may encounter some thunderstorms, but it's not till after sunset.
And then that's going to change.
That's going to change. We have our WFA weather alerts, specifically Friday and Saturday. Your impact on those days will be the potential for on and off heavy rain. It does not rain the entire time. We're also looking at some of this rain really coming in the form of thunderstorms. And with these thunderstorms, not every storm, but the strongest of storms could very well contain pea to quarter size hail, 50+ mile per hour wind gusts at times. So that's what we'll be watching for. What you need to do is make sure to check in with us as the day goes on, even as the next couple of days go on. WFA Plus is your best bet for that, but you may need to go ahead and adjust some of those outdoor plans. I'm going to start with today, because today, really for this afternoon and evening, far western portions of North Texas under a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5, very low end threat. You notice those colors kind of going up in intensity the more west you go and into the panhandle. This is again for pea to quarter size hail, 50+ mile per hour wind gusts. And really this is for areas after sunset around 10. We see some of these storms really lingering along our far western counties. Eventually these storms kind of push off into Oklahoma, and by 2 in the morning, completely dry. Most of North Texas completely dry today. What we're looking at then, tomorrow morning around 8 in the morning, we start to see a few little showers in the area, and this will be the trend most of the morning. In the afternoon around 3 is when we'll see that potential for a thunderstorm to develop, and these storms will generally increase in coverage as we head into the late afternoon evening time frame. This is around 6 p.m. These storms will then move into our eastern counties. That's around 8 now. Look at this, drying out for DFW, and then these storms will continue to push off east. By midnight, rain free, but by Saturday morning, our next round of rain moves in. At this time, coverage looks a bit higher, about 50–60% coverage. We'll see some scattered rain. At times, this rain will be heavy, so this is around 7 in the morning. Between 7 to noon, we keep that coverage pretty high across North Texas. In the afternoon, we dry out. Look at this. That's around 7. Those thunderstorms then focused southeast of DFW. So for your Friday, it's looking a little bit interesting here. This map has changed, but we are looking at a slight risk that includes northern Tarrant and Dallas County, Denton, Collin County, the level 3 still in Oklahoma, but most of North Texas now included in a level 1. That's the green. This literally just changed in the last minute or two. And then on Saturday, again, the threat will be southeast of DFW. You see that yellow there. Most of North Texas will have a very, very low end threat on Saturday. We're then going to also talk about the potential for any flood risk. We saw yesterday how a widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain can really do a number on our infrastructure. Some locations definitely had that flooding concern. Low-lying areas next to creeks, streams, or even rivers that temporarily swell because of runoff. We could see that the next couple of days. Between Friday and Saturday, we could pick up another 1 to 2 inches of rain. Doesn't sound like a lot, but keep in mind that our ground is already saturated. Our eastern counties, 2 to 3 inches, not completely rolled out, where you see the deep purple color there. That's including areas of Kaufman County towards the east. But DFW, Dallas, Tarrant, Denton, Collin County, a 1 to 2 is looking likely for us. Right now, though, just a few clouds out there, 74 degrees, a little breezy, winds gusting at about 26 miles per hour today, wind gusts close to 30 miles per hour. Again, rain coverage completely low, 10% at best, 81 degrees for the high today. We do see, again, rain coverage go up Friday for our WFA weather alert Friday and Saturday. Temperatures go from 80 degrees on Friday to about 67 Saturday, 70 on Sunday. Next Tuesday is a day to be on the lookout. You want to check back in because that forecast looking a bit interesting in the afternoon in terms of thunderstorms, a little drier after middle part of next week. We'll be back.